about 8 o'clock in the morning. I am starting my day. Welcome back to a new blog. I haven't been on in about 2 days. I'm so excited to be back. So I'm going to start off, it's a Sunday. I'm going to start this day off welcoming you guys back. I know I sound terrible, but this is my morning voice. It's very deep. It's very deep. This is my morning face. This is my morning look. So like I said, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's get started with this day. I got a few things I want to share with you guys. I got a delivery coming this morning. I have some cleaning and some new decor this morning. I did pick up that stand from Target, so we're going to be putting that together. And I also had a taste for some collard greens and some turkey wings, so we're going to be taking care of that. But let's get started. Welcome back to Pam's Vlog Vibe. It is the next day. I have already been out. It was just a quick run, so I didn't take you guys with me. It was just a quick run to the Dollartree to pick up some odds and ends for this morning. But yes, I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna share all of that with you guys. But look what I got. I had some headphones that cracked on this side. It was the Beats. So I did pick up some new Sony headphones. It has an adjustable switch here. So yeah, it has an adjustable switch here. It's really lightweight. I want to say these are it's got to be less than 1 pound. These are light, very light. And so it's got the swivel here. So it's got that, and then it's got the adjustment where it cradles your head here. And then it's got the adjustments here. And so it is Bluetooth, it is wireless. It has the charging port here on the back. This is the box that it came in. So this is the box that it came in. And so it is the WHCH 510 model. And they are so lightweight. It's got 35 hours of usage, wireless Bluetooth. So I did pick that up. It came really nicely packaged. And then also in the box I got our trusty instruction manual, and then I have a charging port here. So let's open that up real quick. And so this is my charging port. Super small, really nice, really neat. And so I'm going to be giving you guys an update on these. Let's see, when I tell you they are so very light, so very light on my head, we will give you an update. So yeah, let me show you guys also what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It wasn't that much. Like I say, a few odds and ends. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I hope we having a great week. So let me show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. When I tell you don't sleep, I'm back. When I tell you don't sleep on the Dove body care cream, oh my gosh, this is so rich and creamy. I paid $1.25 for this. It's so rich and creamy. Oh my goodness. Look at my hands. Really dry, right? Really dry. Really dry. This is what it's looking like. When I tell you, let me just rub it in. Look at that. It is shining. So you can see my arms are dry, and now look at my hand. It is not doing it justice. But do not sleep on this body care cream. You can keep it in your car, your purse. So I did get some soap pads. I like to use those around the house, in my car. I did get some of those. I did pick up some Zest Soothing Aloe Soap. You get 2. It was $1.25. You also get 28% more than last time. So that's a win-win. And I did pick up some cotton rounds because I was saying that I had the new skincare routine, which it is doing my face some justice. That Dollar Tree facial wash with tea tree oil, I have been using that with these. I'm going to be using these cotton rounds with that. Wipe them and throw them out because I've been, we've been on the internet and I've been hearing that, using your those facial towels and whatnot and not being able to dispose them, they hold germs. I'm not, disclaimer is in effect right now because I am not the one, but that's what I heard. So I also picked up some Dove pink soap. It is Rosa with deep moisture, so I did pick that up as well. I'm going to be trying it. This is my first time trying that. I'm also going to be comparing that to the Caress. I hear so many reviews about the Caress, so I'm going to compare the Caress with the Dove, and we're going to find out. I did pick up some Lady Speed 60. I also got the regular Lady Speed Stick Powder. It's early in the morning, guys. It's early in the morning, so I got some ibuprofen just for around the house, for the achy muscles, aches and pains. I did pick up some Oil of Life. This is the sensitive skin body wash, so I did pick some of that up as well. When I tell you this is really soft and gentle on your skin, oh my goodness, it is so soft and gentle on your skin. So guys, yeah, my battery died, but I am back. So I just have these two other items. I got some awesome floor cleaner, and I did get some Dawn soap. So yeah, guys, I am going to go and charge my battery, and then I'm going to pick you guys up after breakfast. I'm back, and I am about to get started on putting together this 6-cube storage unit down here. So I'm gonna put this together. So let's get started. And so this is when it's all put together, what it is looking like. I think it came out super, super cute. I did purchase the 2 black ones from Target, and the 2 gray ones came from Walmart. So I did put the container units in it, and I think it is looking fabulous. Super, super cute. I love it, love it, love it. And so guys, I am going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. And until the next video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.